Okay, so welcome to the class. This may be the first time you're hearing my voice or not. So welcome to the class. Yeah, so for this class, we'll just be using one main app, just one. So once you have the app, you can continue editing videos seamlessly. So the app we'll be using now is Wondershare Filmora 9. So now with this app, we're going to edit we're going to edit all our videos. You might have been expecting maybe us using DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, those are good software, but don't even bore you with the details. You came for the practical. So then you might also have to download some videos you can use to practice. I know you might be wondering, what will I get videos to practice? Will I be recording the videos? Yes, you can record some videos, but yes, you can also get some videos to practice. I'm going to be dropping a link in the group on how you can get videos to practice for free, and this is just the introduction. So with this app, you can cut, edit, add effects, add text. Let's get started. Okay, yeah, so can you see I've already done class 2 already? Wow. So this, if you've not used this before, you're just using it for the first time, all this will not be there. Click on new project. So you can select your format, whether it's an Instagram video, maybe you want to do an Instagram skit or an Instagram video, or 9:16 portrait, or standard, or cinema. But the one we use mostly is what? Widescreen. First, you're going to be clicking on new project. Yeah. So new project. So this is how the screen is. This is where we're going to message. This is where we're going to be doing almost all our work. So we have the media, your project media, we have some sample videos. Anyone that shows this button here, right here, means you have to download them. We have some sample colors, you have to download these colors. Then we have some sample audios. We have titles that you can use, openers, transitions to transitions, explain, transitions, different transitions, a lot, like a lot. That's 189. Like we have effects, 502 effects. You want to add effects to your video, like to make it look cinematic, to make it look like, yeah, it's shot with a professional camera. You know, this app we like seamlessly built for you. Like we have TV static, damage film, old film, lens flare. So it has elements to elements. Let's see, try this element. Like add to your video. Emojis. Oh, I love these emojis. Yes, I use them during my tutorial videos. Yeah, I've not downloaded any of this. Then web, like select. They also have split screen. Maybe you want to split your screen into maybe 2 different screens, so it virtually does everything. So that's the major thing. Then this is your timeline. This is where you watch your video while it's playing. Then this is just to export. So this is everything. This is for your music, for your video. So this is everything you need to know. So yes, this is Filmora. So I want to officially welcome you again to the class. So we're going to our next course. So stay tuned.